This luxury car has 470 horsepower. Really strong. BMW has presented many different cars that are characterized by luxury, quality and attractiveness, as it is the most acquired car at the global level, as the car is characterized by attractiveness and elegance that suits all tastes. It is considered one of the cars that tastes cannot differ, as the car is characterized by all of different shapes and models, and among those versions that shined and achieved the highest sales percentage among BMW models is the BMW X6. Which was launched in its first version in 2007, and since this year a large group of the public turned to it and made the car in the first place for the BMW donation to provide the car deals with the various possibilities and developments that the world has reached and its application in the car. The design. The car takes the form of the coupe car in its new form, as the car adopts a grille from the front that combines nickel and chrome together to make the car have an attractive touch, with the luxury and strength that the car enjoys in terms of the design of the front and rear lights. The engine. The car is equipped with an 8-cylinder VET 4500cc engine. The car operates through the Steptronic gearbox in driving and in shifting from one gear to the other. The maximum speed of the car reaches 280 km per hour. It works with 470 horsepower. Safety. The car is equipped with 4 airbags, providing an ABS system that prevents the car from skidding while driving on oily roads, as well as heavy rain. Providing the EBD feature that distributes the brakes in the car equally from the front and rear together. BMW X6 Specifications. The car has a front screen with many different systems, providing a digital display that changes the driving mode according to the driving needs of the car by detecting the roads from the angles of the cameras in the lamps. The car is available with a BMW branded key with the 3 colors known to BMW, as well as providing a bag slot through the remote control. The car gives a sporty driving system and mode, which is clearly visible in terms of the interior design of the doors and upholstery, as well as the design of the trim. BMW X6 features. The car is equipped with a wheel that works through sensors through which the force performed by the car is provided, meaning that if a malfunction occurs in one of the wheel tires, the car distributes this wheel force through the other wheel automatically as well as in the files. The force of the front wheel is distributed to the rear wheel until the completion of the rotation. Provide a 360-degree camera. The LED system in the headlights gives a stronger light at night and dims the light if there is a car coming in front and then raises the light after the car passes. Provide 17-inch rims, providing very good sound insulation by closing the glass. The air in the back is completely isolated. The visibility areas in the car are good, as the front side gives a vision position to fully reveal the road, as well as the rear gives the same large viewing areas, providing rear spaces in the bag of up to 570 liters with the possibility of folding the rear sofa of up to 1,600 liters. Disadvantages of BMW X6. The car has a large transmission tunnel, and this thing made it cramped in the sitting position in the car. The backside is in contrast to the front area, which has a high and good area. BMW X6 price. The price of the all-new BMW X6 in the global market started from $64,300 US. The price of the X6 M50i is $85,650. We have reached the end of the video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment on the video to encourage us to provide more.